Next authority is labor courts. Now its constitution. The appropriate government constitute one or more labor courts by gazetted notification. The labor courts are for the adjudication of industrial disputes relating to any matter specified in the second schedule section. This is according to section 7. Means the disputes which are mentioned in the second schedule. For that the labor courts are constituted. Then its composition and qualifications. So how is the labor code is composed? So the labor code consists of a one person only appointed by the appropriate government. The prescribed qualifications for the appointment as the presiding officer of a labor court. Means here the judge is called as a presiding officer. So what are the qualifications? First is the person should be a judge of high court, or he should have been a district judge or an additional district judge for a period of not less than 3 years, or he should have held any judicial office in India for not less than 7 years, and he must have been the presiding officer of a labor court constituted under any provincial or a state act for not less than 5 years. So from these 4 points, the presiding officer should have been fulfilled the one of the point from these 4 points. Then in the state of Maharashtra, a person should be eligible for the appointment of a judge. Now we are going to see for the state of Maharashtra, if a person wants to be a judge, then for it the qualification is this qualification is for the labor courts. So first is that he has practiced as an advocate or attorney for not less than 7 years in the high court or any industrial court or tribunal or a labor court, or he holds a law degree of any Indian university and hold or has held an office not lower in a rank than that of a deputy registrar or any such industrial court or a tribunal for not less than 5 years, or he holds a law degree or any Indian university and holds or has held an office not lower in a rank than that of the assistant commissioner of the labor under the state government or a not less than 5 years. These are the qualifications for a judge in the state of Maharashtra to become a judge in the labor court.